Yes, hello again. Ed Roselle here, Pause Marketing. I'm coming to you in another video. This video we're going to learn about exactly what the Freedom Funnel is and why it's important to your establishment of a affiliate marketing business. Uh, if you are new to this channel, appreciate it if you would subscribe and smash the notification bell, as there are many videos coming yet besides on this one. So anyway, this is the inside of the funnel right here. And I want to show you why this funnel qualifies as a website in effect. But you find out the first page in the funnel is a start page, which is a typical opt-in page to collect an email, offer a freebie. In this case, this one is offering the funnel as free. The steps are what we're going to go through in detail. But you see, that's the part that lets you remake the funnel into your image. The disclaimer, terms of service, privacy policy are all boilerplate that are necessary if you're going to ever do any Google advertising or YouTube advertising. Any of that stuff is required to have these types of things, particularly disclaimers, terms of service, and so on. So it's all here. And with that, we're going to go into the steps and opening up the step page. And this is where you get to when you right after you opt into the funnel. You come to this steps. Come to the second page, which is the steps. My machine is slow today, trying to catch up. So it's very important that you follow all of the videos. Watch all the videos. This entrance video is me explaining what the funnel is again. But you have an opportunity to join a messenger bot to get tips, joining a free Facebook group, which is at the moment that would be with my mentor and friend Rachel S. Lee, her free Facebook group. But now to set up the website for you, you will need a ClickFunnels account. First of all, you can skip that and just try to download the template. But if you don't have a ClickFunnels account that's open at the time, that will prompt you to tell you either log into your ClickFunnels account or create a 14-day free trial. So that's fine. You need to do that. You need to come in. Now, one of the first things you have to do in your funnel, this is every time you put up a funnel, you need to put a domain in there that the funnel will run on. Now, if you're new to ClickFunnels, you can get a free domain. Comes with the funnel and the free trial and all that. But the problem is that it's difficult to, once you pick something that sounds like what your business would be, which is great, once you do that, it's difficult to get a matching email. So we recommend going with something like GoDaddy. You can go to Namecheap to do the same thing. GoDaddy has 99-cent first year domains, cheap. And so that's one way to do it. And you can install that, follow the directions, and install it into the funnel. All right. Now, this next part has to do with the email. Now you can, if you're in GoDaddy or Namecheap or any of those, you can actually buy an email that matches your thing, and they will host that email server for you. There's one way to do it. Another way is to forego that and operate this G Suite trial, and that allows you to take a Gmail account and make an alias that looks like another domain. That's the reason for that. So that's one way to do it. It's up to you whether you want to buy it through the domain provider or whatever. Either way, you're going to need an email address that matches your domain. This is to build up your business. Now, one of the major pieces that you need for an affiliate business is to be able to capture emails and make your own email list up. So uh, if you've been using ClickFunnels and know about Actionetics MD, you can use that just fine. You can still, instead of going with Aweber, you can link up with Actionetics MD and get all the autoresponders, the follow-on funnels, and email responses to the sign-ins, to the opt-ins, and so all that stuff can be done within ClickFunnels using Actionetics MD. Now you will have to install Actionetics MD into the funnel and go into the install part of the funnel that is at the beginning of the funnel when you first get into the funnel in the editor. Now, otherwise you can sign up for an Aweber. Is the easiest and the quickest way to get up, and it's very friendly, very friendly to affiliate marketing. There are many other types of things from Constant Contact, Action, whatever it is. There's several other ones. Now, I might point out that all of these, the ClickFunnel, gathering in a ClickFunnel, it's important that you swap out into these buttons affiliate links for your own, for the ClickFunnels trial, for the website template, and you can do that by taking the share link that's on the first part of the funnel and putting it in here. GoDaddy will give you a affiliate link if you ask for it. Same with G Suite, Aweber, and will give you an affiliate link. So these are the beginnings of establishing streams of income in here. Because when you give away this funnel and have your new client redo it to their brand, you're starting to establish income for yourself. Now, part of an affiliate marketing business is to generally get a mail list going and back it up with a follow-up funnel of emails of 7, 10, 12, 20, and however many. So there's a whole pile of them here that you can that you can actually copy and paste into your whether it's Aweber or whether it's Actionetics. You can copy and paste those in there and put the proper links in. Now we go to traffic. ClickMagick is our wonderful piece of software that's also can be a source of recurring revenue for you through an affiliate link, but allows you to build a tracking link that can track the clicks that come into this funnel and count them for you, and you can do a little bit on another whole separate video on how to set up those ClickMagick links. Here is a way to open up get a copy of a solo ad, an email that you can use with the Udemy account. There's another video recently put up on Udemy how to select a provider and buy some clicks coming in. Here's your advanced setup, which you can get if you don't want to handle the tech. We can get it done. Right now, we'll get it done through through Rachel S. Lee's organization, my mentor. There's an email survival kit you can get, which expands the emails you can put into your follow-on funnel and other things that actually begins to promote other products within the ClickFunnels family. And the main thing is to join this Daily Commissions Club. It's a paid group, Facebook group, but it's where all the heavy-duty teaching and all that improvements. Once a week we get together with Zoom and do a show and tell or get questions answered directly from Rachel. And it's really a very nice group. So with that, I'm going to say thank you for participating, and good luck. And if you really have any questions in setting this up, let us know in some way, either by email or responding to a link or something through Facebook. Let us know. So with that, we thank you very much, and